Have you ever felt frustrated trying to manage your finances? Or maybe you've wished for a simpler way to pay for your favorite things. If so, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of FavePay, a revolutionary platform that's making financial transactions a breeze. Imagine a world where your favorite stores, restaurants, and services are all accessible from one convenient app. A world where you can earn rewards, enjoy exclusive deals, and even send money to friends and family with just a few taps. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's exactly what FavePay offers. Benefit 1: Seamless transactions. One of the most significant advantages of using FavePay is the seamless transaction experience. Whether you're shopping online or in-store, FavePay makes it incredibly easy to pay for your purchases. With just a few clicks or taps, you can complete your transaction quickly and securely. No more waiting in line or fumbling for cash. Benefit 2: Exclusive deals and discounts. FavePay is more than just a payment platform. It's also your gateway to exclusive deals and discounts. As a FavePay user, you'll have access to a wide range of offers from top brands and merchants. From dining discounts to travel deals, there's something for everyone. Benefit 3: Rewards and loyalty programs. FavePay rewards your loyalty with a variety of incentives. As you use the platform, you'll earn points that can be redeemed for discounts, cashback, or even gift cards. Plus, FavePay often partners with popular loyalty programs, allowing you to earn points from multiple sources. Benefit 4: Send and receive money easily. FavePay isn't just for shopping. You can also use it to send and receive money with friends and family. Whether you're splitting a bill, paying back a loan, or sending a gift, FavePay makes it simple and secure. Benefit 5: Enhanced security. Your financial security is a top priority at FavePay. The platform employs advanced security measures to protect your personal information and prevent fraud. You can rest assured that your transactions are safe and secure. In conclusion, FavePay offers a wide range of benefits that can make your financial life easier and more rewarding. From seamless transactions to exclusive deals and rewards, FavePay is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their finances. So, what are you waiting for? Download FavePay today and start enjoying the benefits for yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.